Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the switchable dual telephoto camera on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. So on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, we have dual telephoto lenses. So what that means is we have two lenses basically designated for zooming in, and this is the 3.7 and the 9.4 or 10x lenses. So the 3.7 zoom and 10x zoom. And simply to use them, all you need to do is just use them as separate zoom in options. And to do that, we're going to open up the camera, and here we have two different options displayed, so 3.7 and 10x. So 3.7 is the first lens, and 10x is the second one. And that's all you need to do. So let me just take a photo to compare the two lenses. So this is what it looks like. This is the 3.7, and this is the 10 times lens. And as you can see, there are a lot of details in the photo, and it's seen that the zoom camera is actually separate. And that is pretty much it for this video. This is how you use the separate zoom lenses. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.